SOA Exam P practice question number 61. The annual returns of two investment portfolios, Portfolio X and Portfolio Y, are normally distributed with the same mean. The variance of Portfolio Y's returns is 0.25 times the variance of Portfolio X returns. The 33rd percentile of Portfolio X return is the same as the pth percentile of Portfolio Y's returns. Calculate the value of P. Let's take a look at the solution. The mean of the two portfolios are the same. We have mu X equals mu Y, let it be mu. And then the variance. The variance of Y, sigma Y squared, equals 0.25 times sigma X squared. And then we have the 33rd percentile of Portfolio X, let it be D. We have the probability statement, P of X less than D equals 0.33. Transform into standard normal. The Z value corresponds to the 33rd percentile is D minus mu over sigma X. And we need to get the value of this expression. From the given standard normal table, it's not from the 50th percentile, corresponds to a positive Z value. And we need to get the Z value of the 33rd percentile, which corresponds to a negative Z value. In order to get this Z value, make use of the symmetry of a normal distribution. We want to get a Z value such that the probability of Z greater than this Z value equals 0.33. This is equivalent to finding the Z value such that the probability of Z less than this Z value is 0.67. We can get the value 0.67 from the table. This is the 67th percentile, which corresponds to the Z value 0.44. Therefore, we have the Z value 0.44. And then the value of this expression, D minus mu over sigma X, corresponds to the 33rd percentile. The Z value is minus 0.44 due to symmetry. And we get D minus mu over sigma X equals minus 0.44. And then the 33rd percentile of Portfolio X returns is the same as the pth percentile of Portfolio Y's returns. We have this expression. The probability of Y less than D equals P over 100. And we need to get the value of P. Convert into standard normal. We need to get the Z value. D minus mu over sigma Y corresponds to the pth percentile. And here we have the variance of Y equals 0.25 times the variance of X. That is, sigma Y equals the square root of 0.25 times the variance of X, which is 0.5 times sigma X. So we replace sigma Y by 0.5 times sigma X. And we already get the expression D minus mu over sigma X is minus 0.44. And therefore, we have the Z value. The Z value is minus 0.88, corresponds to the pth percentile of Portfolio Y's returns. From the standard normal table, the Z value of 0.88 is 0.8106. This is the probability that Z is less than 0.88. And we need to get the probability that Z is less than minus 0.88. This is equivalent to the probability that Z is greater than 0.88, which is 1 minus 0.8106. And we get 0.1894. And this corresponds to the expression P over 100. And therefore, the value of P is 18.94. This is the 18.94th percentile of Portfolio Y's returns.